Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 444. Meaning and symbolism. The secret meaning of angel number 444. Protection, guidance, and more. Angel numbers are sequences of numbers that are believed to carry spiritual significance and messages from the divine realm. Among these, the number 444 stands out as a powerful symbol of protection, guidance, and encouragement. This essay delves into the multifaceted meanings of angel number 444, exploring its significance in numerology, spirituality, and personal development. Numerological significance of 444. In numerology, the number 4 is associated with stability, practicality, and building strong foundations. It represents hard work, determination, and the ability to overcome obstacles. When the number 4 is repeated 3 times, as in 444, its energies are amplified, signifying a reinforced message from the universe. Solacely. The repetition of the number 4 3 times in the sequence of 444 brings a message of balance and harmony in various aspects of your life, including mind, body, and spirit. Solacely. Spiritual interpretations of 444. Divine protection. Seeing 444 is often interpreted as a sign that your guardian angels are near, offering protection and support. It serves as a reminder that you are not alone and that the spiritual realm is watching over you. This number can appear during times of uncertainty or when facing challenges, providing reassurance that you are being guided and protected. Guidance and encouragement. The appearance of 444 may indicate that you are on the right path and that your efforts are being recognized by the universe. It encourages you to continue working diligently towards your goals, assuring you that your hard work will pay off. This number serves as a motivational boost, urging you to stay focused and persistent. Alignment and harmony. Angel number 444 is also associated with achieving balance and harmony in your life. It suggests that your mind, body, and spirit are aligning, leading to a state of inner peace and equilibrium. This alignment can enhance your decision-making abilities and help you navigate life's challenges with greater ease. 444 in personal relationships. In the context of personal relationships, seeing 444 can signify stability and strong foundations. It may indicate that your relationships are grounded in trust, mutual respect, and understanding. If you're experiencing difficulties in a relationship, this number could be a sign to work on building a more solid and harmonious connection. 444 and career path. When it comes to your career, encountering 444 might suggest that you're on the right track professionally. It can be a signal to continue pursuing your ambitions with determination and to trust that your efforts will lead to success. This number may also encourage you to seek opportunities that align with your values and long-term goals. Practical steps to embrace the message of 444. Reflect on your current path. Take time to assess whether your actions and decisions align with your true purpose and values. Seek balance. Strive to maintain harmony between different aspects of your life, such as work, relationships, and personal growth. Stay grounded. Focus on building strong foundations in all areas of your life, ensuring stability and resilience. Trust in divine timing. Have faith that the universe is guiding you towards your highest good, even if the path isn't immediately clear. Conclusion. The profound power and presence of angel number 444. Angel number 444 is not just a numerical pattern, it is a profound spiritual signal that invites you to pause, reflect, and recognize the divine forces at work in your life. Seeing this number repeatedly is not a coincidence, it's a message from the divine realm, your guardian angels, or the universe itself, assuring you that you are exactly where you need to be and that divine energy surrounds you with protection, clarity, and reassurance. At its core, 444 is about alignment and spiritual support. It resonates deeply with the energy of the number 4, which in biblical terms and numerology symbolizes foundation, order, and completeness of creation. Multiply that essence by 3 and you receive an amplified version of those qualities: security, structure, determination, and unwavering spiritual backing. A message of reassurance. When life feels uncertain or you find yourself standing at a crossroads, the appearance of 444 is a sacred reassurance that you are being guided and protected. It tells you that the spiritual realm is closer than you realize, surrounding you with encouragement. This number brings comfort, reminding you that even during periods of loneliness, confusion, or hardship, you are never truly alone. Angels are working behind the scenes, ensuring your path is illuminated and aligned with divine purpose. A call to action. 444 is not simply a comforting sign, it is also a call to action. It urges you to build strong foundations, whether in relationships, career, finances, or your spiritual life. Embrace discipline and order, the building blocks of long-term success. Be present and mindful, recognizing how your current thoughts and actions are shaping your future. When you see 444, take it as a nudge from the universe that you are in the process of manifesting something significant, and now is the time to remain focused, grounded, and intentional. Synchronicity and divine timing. One of the most beautiful elements of angel number 444 is its tie to divine timing and synchronicity. It appears to you not randomly, but precisely when you need to see it most, often during moments of doubt or when you're close to a breakthrough. It confirms that everything is unfolding as it should and encourages you to continue walking in faith, even if you can't see the full picture yet. This number reminds you to trust in divine orchestration, that everything happening now is part of a higher plan. Obstacles you face are not roadblocks, but lessons and stepping stones. People coming into or leaving your life are part of that larger design. Each moment, each interaction, each step is purposeful. Healing and growth. 444 also has powerful connotations of healing, spiritual awakening, and soul growth. When you frequently encounter this number, it may be a sign that you are entering a phase of deeper transformation. You may be healing old wounds, rising out of a period of hardship, or beginning to see yourself with new eyes. It may also signal that your soul mission is awakening. Perhaps you're beginning to understand your spiritual gifts, or you're feeling pulled toward helping others, teaching, healing, or creating from a higher consciousness. 444 supports you on this journey, letting you know you are not only equipped for your purpose but are being actively supported in fulfilling it. Embracing 444 in daily life. To fully embrace the energy and message of 444, consider adopting spiritual practices that keep you aligned and grounded. This may include daily affirmations that reinforce your faith and purpose, gratitude journaling to stay focused on the abundance around you, meditation or prayer to strengthen your connection with the divine, regular introspection to assess if your actions align with your higher self.